American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series. Co-Planar strip-line construction. Co-planar strip-line construction is the simplest construction for controlled impedance printed circuit board flex designs. The construction consists of a dielectric substrate with two parallel strip conductors separated by a narrow gap. This construction is produced with just one metal layer on the same plane, hence the name coplanar. These constructions are well suited to higher characteristic impedance designs. Advantages of this construction include active devices can be mounted on top of the circuit. It provides an extremely high frequency response of 100 gigahertz or more. It's a simple manufacturing process as only one side needs to be etched. And broadband performance is improved as via holes may not be needed. Disadvantages include cost. A relatively thick substrate may be needed. It's susceptible to EMI noise, electromagnetic interference, and the effective dielectric constant is lower.